question in, answer out. That's how most people use Claude, a search bar with better manners. That's the single most expensive mistake you can make with this tool. Not because the answers are bad, because you're using about 5% of the machine. This video is about the other 95. This is level 0 of Claude for everyone. The full playlist is linked below if you just landed here. Everything in this video works on the free plan. By the end, you'll know what Claude actually is. The 3 habits that fall out of knowing, which the rest of this course is built on. Here's the mental model, and it's worth getting exactly right. Claude is a program you talk to in ordinary language. It talks back. It does work for you, drafting, summarizing, analyzing, explaining. The name for that kind of program is an AI assistant. Now the 3 clauses that make it different from everything you're used to. Think of Claude as a brilliant, endlessly patient collaborator. With no memory of you by default, no leave knowledge of the world unless it goes and looks something up, total confidence even when it's wrong. Read those again. A search engine knows nothing about you but shows you live pages. A colleague remembers you but pushes back when unsure. Claude is a third kind of thing. Not a person, not a search engine, not a database of verified facts. A collaborator with those 3 clauses attached. So why the confidence problem? Under the hood, the engine inside Claude is what researchers call a large language model, LLM. It was trained on an enormous amount of text to do one thing: predict what words should come next. That single trick at massive scale produces everything impressive you'll see. It also produces the one weakness you must respect. System that predicts plausible text is not checking whether the text is true. When plausible and true do not overlap, Claude does not hedge. It delivers the wrong thing in the same confident voice. That's called a hallucination, and it's not a bug being fixed next month. It's the nature of the machine. Watch what that means in practice. Same question, twice. First answer, fluent, confident, unverified. Second answer, with web search on same fluency, but now it looked things up. There are citations I can click. Confidence is Claude's writing style. Evidence is a thing you ask for. Quick test of the mental model. If you ask Claude about your company's internal product names, things that live on your shared drive, not the public internet, what happens? Pause and decide. Here's the answer. It responds anyway, fluently, plausibly, and mostly wrong. No memory of you, no leave knowledge, total confidence. All 3 clauses at once. The fix isn't a better question. It's giving Claude your context. That's where this level is headed. One more piece of the machine. Inside the product, there isn't one engine. There are several, and you can pick. The trained system that writes each reply is called a model. Model names change constantly, so this course won't teach names. It teaches tiers. A fast tier for quick everyday work. Balanced tier, the default right for most of what you'll do. Deeper tiers that think longer for harder problems. Burn your usage allowance faster. Last piece. Everything in this course, the chat, the more powerful doors will open level by level is one Claude account. Same login, same brain, different doors into it. You don't need to see behind these doors yet. Just know the building is bigger than the lobby. Before the next video, run this 2-minute experiment. Ask Claude 3 questions from your own field, questions you already know the answers to. Cold. Grade its answers like you'd grade a new hire. You'll notice 2 things. It's better than you expected somewhere. At least once it's confidently off. You'll know the lesson landed when you can point at the wrong answer and say why the confidence didn't warn you. The description has the starter reading and a downloadable card of the 3 clauses. So the mental model, Claude is a collaborator, not a search engine. The more context you give it, the better it works. It predicts plausible text, so confidence tells you nothing. Verify what matters. Turn on search when facts matter. Pick your engine by tier, not by name. Names churn. Tiers don't. Next video, no more theory. You bring one real document from your actual work. In 10 minutes, Claude does something genuinely useful with it. That's where the 5% ends.